In this problem, it gives us that a standard die, numbered from 1 through 6 on its sides, is tossed twice. Determine the probability that the sum of the numbers on the upward faces on the two tosses is a prime number. So express your answer as an integer or as a common fraction. So anytime we deal with the sum of rolling a 6-sided die twice, or two of them, the way we always do it is we always break this up into a table. So could get a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, or a 6. Or we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 also for the second roll. Now what we're doing is we're taking the sum of the results. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 3 is 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 plus 3 is 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 plus 2 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 plus 1 is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6 plus 1 is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now we need to circle all the sums that are prime. So 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. So there's 36 total outcomes, but there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 that are prime. So 15 out of 36, but we can reduce that. We can take a 3 out of the top and out of the bottom. So that means we have 5 out of 12. And there's our answer. And we're done.